Hi, my name is Terry, and I have my Nuvia dental implants for almost a year now, and this is what I looked like before. I'm here to let you know that there were many reasons to have this done, but there are 3 bad things and 3 really good things. One of the bad things, obviously, is the cost. I've left a link below for you to find out more about that, and we'll get to that part of it later. Even though it's a pain to get up every morning and brush your teeth and use that wonderful water pick, it's what you do to take care of your investment. It's not fun. A water pick, it takes a little bit of getting used to. I can't tell you how many times I've had little squirts on my mirror, or it's an adjustment that you will become used to. A good number 3 is the fact that you can actually eat things that you haven't eaten for many years. I loved cashews, but I couldn't eat them because I didn't have the teeth to chew them. I love corn on the cob, but I ended up having to always cut those wonderful little kernels off in order to eat it because I couldn't bite into that cob. The fact of the matter is that the good thing is that you don't have to stop and think about what it is you want to eat. Second bad thing. You have to understand that these teeth are not your natural teeth, and there are adjustments that you have to make in order to enjoy all that food that you can't eat now. And know that those little nuanced things that you have to do differently are, or deal with while you're chewing and eating, is a small price to pay for being able to smile when you want to smile, or order whatever you want to order off of the menu without having to second guess yourself all the time. Second good thing, I've checked around a bunch of different places, and I actually have friends of our certain age that were also considering having these things done. One in particular comes to mind. He decided to get the full dental implants. The sad thing about it was for him is that it took him almost a year to get everything completed. And I was just absolutely flabbergasted. I went in for my initial consultation. I decided to go forward with the procedure, and I had my surgery the very next week on a Friday. And I chose a Friday because I wanted to give myself some time. But had I chose Thursday for my surgery, I would have gone back on Friday and got my permanent teeth placed. And I can tell you that it was a godsend to be able to go the very next day and have teeth within 24 hours. So even though I took a couple of extra days because I'm just this crazy person that knows a little bit more about healing up, the fact of the matter is that you can have brand new permanent teeth within 24 hours from the time that you had your surgery. And there is nothing more thrilling than to know that you can now send pictures of yourself to all of your friends with a big old smile, even though you're swollen up like a chipmunk. It's absolutely fabulous, and I could not imagine waiting a year to be able to do just exactly that. Permanent teeth in 24 hours is a blessing. The first bad thing, there is no cost on it. You can check all the other places. You can get different price ranges, and the fact of the matter is that I chose Nuvia because I liked what I saw on their videos. I liked the fact that they looked like real teeth. So whether you have a price range or any type of thing that you need to have done, whether you finance it, whether you pull it out of your accounts and you pay for it outright, there is a way for you to make this happen. And that is what Nuvia does for you. It allows you to have options to get it done and have some of the best results you'll ever have. Nuvia is transparent with everything that they want to bring to you. So check the link below and you'll know what you're walking into. So what are you worth? I know what I was worth. I can smile now. The first good thing, I dealt with a lot of surgeons. You have to have a lot of confidence. And I can tell you that when the surgeon walked in, he literally was almost as if he was giving me the option to chicken out if I wanted to. But the fact of the matter is that he says, okay, we're going to do this. We've gone through all the x-rays. Everything is perfectly fine. We're going to make this happen for you. So if I'm going to do this for you, you're going to have to do something for me, he says. I went, oh yeah? He says, I want the best results coming out of this because I take pride in what I do. So I'm going to get this done for you, and you're going to have these new teeth put in you, and I want you to take really good care of them. And I said, well, guess what? I can make that promise for you. The fact that the surgeon had enough confidence to know that he was working on a slim bone density patient and still had the confidence to know that he was going to be able to do it, it just made it all the better. If you are undecided, go and talk to the people. It doesn't cost you anything to walk in the door and get the information firsthand. You can go to all the links you want and you can see all the testimonials you want, but when you get there and you see the staff and you understand that they have the right people doing the right procedures and the right follow-ups, you will be as confident as I was. There's absolutely no reason for you to not take care of yourself going forward. Let me be the one to tell you that take the jump, take the leap, and do something good for you. Because, like I've said before, what are you worth? I think I was worth it. And I think being able to smile and talk to you is something that I wouldn't have been able to do before. So go check them out. If you'd like to find out the true cost of dental implants, click the video right here. And if you'd like to find out more about the cost guide that I mentioned earlier, you can click right here.